So we want to review our location performance within our campaign. But in order for this to be effective, we need to set up our locations in a specific way. So for example, this campaign here is serving Bristol and the surrounding areas. And typically what you can do is add in a radius, which will be a big circle, or you could just type in Bristol and have Bristol as a whole. But you don't want to do this. You want to break this down as linear and as segmented as possible. So like this, we have this area, this. All of these are that I can, because of the way I've done this, I can add bid adjustments, either increasing the bid for that place or decreasing it because it's not as effective. So the way you have this segmented gives you greater control for optimizing a campaign post creation of it. Now, it's not to say you can't do this now. So if you've not done this right now, you can go and change it. So I'd recommend you to do this. But let's show you how you would even get to this stage. So let's just go back to the ad group level of this campaign. And what we want to do, just move my head, is we want to go down when we have this campaign selected, go down to locations. And in this section here, because we now have all of these individual locations created, we can now see the performance of each of these sort of postcoded areas now. So what I'm going to do is filter down by click-through rate, for example. So maybe not click-through rate because the impressions are low. So let's put in a filter. So this is something good to do. I'm gonna filter down by click-through rate, but if our click-through rate is 100% because we only have one impression, that doesn't really show us any data. So what I'm going to do here is just go here and find impressions, and impressions greater than 20, for example. Hasn't spent a lot. Okay, so for example, we can see here, if we filter down by click-through rate, BS5 performs well. Okay, average CPC is 269, cost is 16 quid. Conversion rate 16%, so that's quite good. 6 clicks to 29 impressions and 1 conversion, so this is good. So for this example, I'm going to increase this by 20%. Okay, I like that one, so I'm going to increase it by 20%. It's been serving well for me. Let's maybe find one that isn't doing so well. So for example, 2 clicks, 32 impressions, 6% click-through rate is not too bad. But for this example, if this one wasn't performing very well, we'd simply go to here and create our bid adjustment to decrease by 20%. So the way you have your location set up like this, very segmented to the postcoded area, gives you greater control to optimize later for your bid adjustments. So it's one thing setting it up like this because it gives you greater control at the end of the campaign. So give this a try, and just to recap where you find this, under this column here when you have your campaign selected, just simply go to locations here and this thing will pop up. Okay, alright, thank you guys, I'll see you on the next.